Today we are going to vaccinate our birds. Today are the 8th. We were supposed to vaccinate them yesterday, but yesterday we were too busy against Newcastle disease. First of all, I want to start by describing what's called the disease, the clinical signs of Newcastle. When your birds are dilating greenish in colors, that's the clinical sign of Newcastle disease. And also when when they are twisted their neck, also the clinical sign of Newcastle disease. So you need the viral disease. You need to vaccinate before it attacks your body. With the virus, you prevent. So now today we are going to prevent the Newcastle disease for them to not attack our birds. So this vaccine is called NCD stroke IV. These are 500 doses. There are so many ways of administering this bird using this vaccine card. For us, you can mix with the water and then you just drop into their eyes. But for us, we are going to mix with the water, then they give our birds to drink at least for 30 minutes to 1 hour. This is a vaccine called, if you look it very quick, NCD stock IV. We're going to mix it with a 10 liter of water and then we give our birds to drink. You first open, first open, first open. You first get something to open. You first open. We are opening our vaccine. Yes, we are done with the opening. Make sure with this water. Shake. Then you fry it. And it has been diluted, then you fry it back with this water. So it's already been mixed. You should make sure that it has been mixed thoroughly. That's why it should be mixed thoroughly. To make sure all the birds should at least drink this. That's why we're now giving our birds. All the birds should drink at least for 30 minutes to 1 hour. That's why we are making the water point this minute. I think these birds were too thirsty. You remove this water. You should remove the water earlier. At least 3 hours before you give them water to drink. They're too thirsty. This all the birds should drink. The coins should be so many. All the birds drink this. The reason why we are making the coins to be so many because this water will not take long here. All of them should have drink. As you see, drinking it serious. Yes, thank you for watching our channel. Remember to subscribe, remember to like, share with your friends. This is coming from Anita'S Poultry. Bye.